Hello, students. This is Miss Mishu, and here's some information you need to know in comparing the differences between a crime and a tort. Definitions. A tort is a private wrong committed by one person against another. A crime is an offense committed against the public good or society. Some examples of torts include assault and battery, false imprisonment, defamation of character, invasion of privacy, intentional infliction of emotional distress, trespass, conversion, nuisance, disparagement, and negligence. Some examples of crime include murder, manslaughter, assault and battery, kidnapping, sex offenses, domestic violence, burglary, larceny, robbery, vandalism, embezzlement, arson, and fraud. The burden of proof in a tort is beyond a preponderance of the evidence, which means it is more likely than not that the person is guilty. In a crime, however, it's much more strict. You must prove it happened beyond a reasonable doubt. There's no doubt. It's to a moral certainty. Steps in a tort begin with pleadings, which is a formal paper filed with the court by the plaintiff and the defendant. Pretrial hearing is an informal hearing before the judge to see if you can settle without litigation. Then there's a selection of the jury, a trial with opening statements, the trial, the arguments and evidence, the trial closing arguments, the trial jury instructions. Then there's a verdict, remedies, and possible appeal. In a crime, it begins with arrest. And then step 2 is the arraignment, which is a formal hearing during which the defendant is read the indictment or information and is asked to plead guilty or not guilty. During the trial, you have the jury selection, opening statements, arguments and evidence, closing arguments, and jury instructions. Then the jury deliberates, provides a verdict, and then there's sentencing, and then possible appeal. I hope this information helps. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.